Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're comparing two finance powerhouses for 2025 and they are Taxfyle and Expensify. One is your go-to for stress-free tax filing and the other is all about managing expenses like a pro. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your financial toolkit. Let's get started. The first is the main focus. What is Taxfyle? Taxfyle focuses on demand tax filing with licensed pros, that is professionals, while Expensify focuses on expense tracking, reporting, and reimbursement. Let's look at the AI capabilities. Taxfyle's AI capability is that it matches you with tax experts. AI assistant accuracy is also what it has, while Expensify has smart receipt scanning and automated expense categorization. Let's look at who or what they are best for. Taxfyle is best for individuals and businesses needing expert tax preparation, while Expensify is best for businesses and teams needing streamlined expense management. Let's look at ease of use. Taxfyle has a simple app-based tax filing process, while Expensify has an easy mobile app with one-click receipt capture. Lastly, pricing. Taxfyle is pay per use for tax services, while Expensify has subscription model for businesses and teams. So here's a breakdown. Taxfyle is like Uber for taxes, but instead of TAXI, it is TAXES taxes. So you get to connect with certified tax professionals, upload your documents and get your filing done without stress. Expensify, on the other hand, helps you control spending, scan receipts and simplify reimbursements for employees. So the takeaway is Taxfyle is equal to expert-driven, AI-assisted tax filing, while Expensify equals smarter expense management for businesses. Pick Taxfyle if you dread tax season, and pick Expensify if managing expenses is your biggest headache. So, which one would you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments and do not forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell for more quick finance battles only on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.